In this video, we will go through the Quanscient Allsolve script editor. So once you have created a project with a simulation, and you put that into script mode, this is the script workspace that you will be seeing. This workspace consists of extra input files that could be, for example, custom mesh files, JSON files, CSV files that you can use in your script. There's these auto-generated scripts, where we have all the defined regions of the project. So they are mapping into our project regions. There are also all the materials and shared expressions created. They will be found from the expressions and materials. Then the file parameters, it's mapping these material properties into the regions where this parameter, that's a region dependent expression container. Then there's the user scripts. We have this main file simulation.py. That is the main entry point into your simulation. At the top we have this read-only section of readily imported auto-generated scripts. The simulation.py is where the bulk of your code will go into, but you can also create any number of custom scripts. We can type in a new name and press enter to accept that. And if we want to change some old files, we'll just double click on the name and we can save that. These can also be deleted here. The editor has syntax error checking. So if we were to produce a syntactically incorrect Python, you can see these errors appear. Let's say we forget to close our string literals, we get an error for that. At the top we have this keyboard shortcuts menu where you can refer to the most common keyboard shortcuts, and there's a possibility to change the font size of the editor.